Are we alone in the Milky Way? Is there any other intelligent life other than the human species that exists in our galaxy? The possibility that we might be alone has captivated the human imagination for decades. Our Milky Way is home to hundreds of billions of stars, many of which host planets that might nurture life. Yet despite the astronomical number of planets and vast expanse of space, we have yet to encounter another advanced civilization. This silence in the cosmic arena raises profound questions about the nature of life, the destiny of civilizations, and the fleeting window in which advanced civilizations can survive. One of the most compelling reasons we may be alone in our galaxy is based on the span of time involved in the rise and fall of advanced civilizations. Stars can survive for billions of years, with our own sun expected to shine for roughly 10 billion, and many others far exceeding this lifespan. The window during which an intelligent civilization can develop technology capable of interstellar communication or travel is likely to be incredibly brief in comparison. Civilizations may emerge, evolve, and then vanish, even within a mere few thousand years. This is a mere blink in the cosmic timeline when you consider that our Milky Way galaxy is over 13 billion years old. When viewed against this backdrop, it becomes plausible that at any given moment, only one advanced civilization exists in the Milky Way galaxy. The conditions necessary for life require the right chemical ingredients and a stable environment that lasts for millions of years for it to develop. Even if life is common in our galaxy, the evolution of a civilization capable of harnessing energy on a cosmic scale to travel between the stars might be exceedingly rare. The odds are further diminished if each civilization faces its own existential threats that lead to their premature demise. The concept of a great filter has been proposed to explain this apparent paradox. The Great Filter suggests that at some point in the evolution of a species, from simple life forms to advanced spacefaring civilizations, a set of challenges exists that are almost impossible to overcome. It suggests that advanced civilizations destroy themselves before they can develop technology to travel or communicate across vast interstellar distances, a fate that may await the human species as well. It may be a rule rather than the exception that advanced civilizations ultimately destroy themselves. Technological progress brings with it the power to alter our world in both constructive and destructive ways. Weapons of mass destruction, environmental degradation, and the misuse of powerful technologies can precipitate societal collapse long before a civilization reaches the stage of interplanetary travel. There are already a number of historical examples that show how civilizations that have achieved remarkable feats of science and culture succumb to internal strife, resource depletion, or catastrophic failures in their governance and societies. If the development of advanced technology inherently carries the risk of self-destruction, then it's conceivable that every advanced civilization ultimately extinguishes itself before successfully becoming an interstellar species. As civilizations grow in complexity, the need for robust systems of governance, social cohesion, and conflict resolution becomes crucial. However, what we have seen is that these systems are prone to break down under the pressures of rapid change within advanced societies. The collapse of civilizations may be inevitable, leaving incredibly long periods during which our galaxy is silent, a dark cosmic void where only the remnants of once great emerging civilizations remain. Beyond self-destruction, there are other explanations for why we may appear to be alone in the Milky Way. One possibility is that advanced civilizations deliberately choose to remain silent or to isolate themselves from the broader cosmos. Advanced beings might recognize that emerging civilizations need freedom to evolve without external influence and remain isolated as they develop. Another possibility is that our methods of searching for extraterrestrial intelligence are fundamentally flawed or limited. Our current efforts rely on the assumption that other civilizations use similar technologies and protocols to communicate. However, it is entirely possible that advanced societies employ communication methods far beyond our current understanding and technological reach. Their signals might be encoded in ways that we cannot decipher, or they might exist on wavelengths that we have yet to discover. The apparent silence in the galaxy could be a byproduct of our own limitations, rather than an indication of being alone in the cosmos. The sheer distances between stars and the finite speed of light also imposes severe constraints on interstellar communication and travel. If another civilization is transmitting signals, these messages might take tens, hundreds, or even thousands of years to reach us. Even our own transmissions have not reached most parts of the galaxy. Our own transmissions have barely made their way into less than 1% of 1% of the Milky Way galaxy. Earth has been transmitting signals out into the universe for roughly 100 years, primarily through radio waves from television, radar, and other broadcasts. And what have we heard? Silence. In such a vast and slowly evolving cosmic environment, temporal mismatches could mean that civilizations are out of sync with each other. One advanced society might flourish and fade long before another is even capable of detecting its signals. In effect, the galaxy might be peppered with civilizations that rise and fall in isolation, missing the chance for overlap given the rigid constraints of time and space. Contact is made even more unlikely when you consider that radio signals eventually become too weak to detect given time and distance. Most experts suggest that even after 100 light-years, a signal becomes almost undetectable due to its significant attenuation as it spreads across the vast distances of space. The prevalence of advanced civilizations may also be influenced by the rare conditions required for one to emerge. Life as we know it depends on a delicate balance of physical and chemical factors, from the presence of water and organic molecules to the stability provided by a planet's magnetic field and atmosphere. Slight deviations from these conditions will render a planet inhospitable to life. This scarcity of Goldilocks zones could mean that advanced life is an anomaly, a statistical outlier in an endless expanse of lifeless worlds. Cosmic events such as gamma-ray bursts, supernovae, and the movements of stars through the galaxy further complicate the picture. These phenomena can have devastating effects on planetary systems, stripping away atmospheres, triggering mass extinctions, or sterilizing vast regions of space. The harsh realities of cosmic hazards may ensure that even if life does emerge, the pathway to complex, intelligent societies is fraught with obstacles that few can withstand. The silence we experience may be the cumulative result of countless near misses and failed attempts at cosmic evolution, a series of interstellar experiments that rarely yield a stable, advanced civilization. The fragility and uniqueness of our own civilization quickly becomes obvious. The factors that have allowed us to flourish, such as our stable sun, protective atmosphere, and capacity to innovate, are the result of a long series of fortunate events. At the same time, the enormous timescales of cosmic evolution suggest that our moment of prominence may be exceedingly brief. Even if we do not find other advanced civilizations among the stars, the very act of searching forces us to confront the fleeting nature of existence and the profound responsibilities that come with our intelligence and creativity. The possibility that we might be alone in the Milky Way is both humbling and thought-provoking. The human species has to find ways to survive in a universe governed by vast scales of time and space. If we take for granted the delicate balance that sustains life here on our planet, the human species may very well become a silent statistic, forever lost in the grandness of the universe. We hope you enjoyed our look into humankind's solitude within the universe and invite you back for our next episode,